Hello team and family, we're working on multiplying fractions video number 1. It says at the top, modeling fraction multiplication. Sam and Pete had a party. After the party, they discovered that 3/4 of a casserole was left over. Sam and Pete ate 1/2 of the leftover casserole. What fraction of the original casserole did Sam and Pete eat? So shade the model to show 1/2 times 3/4. So on your paper you should have 1/2 times 3/4. Shade, so we're going to go through the letters. Letter A, shade the rectangle to represent the 3/4 of the casserole that was left over after the party. So you're going to need to do a area model where you have 4 rectangles. So this thing that I'm putting in blue should be on your paper. I'm going to shade in 3 out of 4 of these boxes. 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 4. Now, second part, so I'm going to put here 3 out of 4. Double shade 1/2 of 3/4. Divide the remaining fourth into parts so that all the parts are equal. So I'm going to put here, I'm going to split, let me put 1/2 on this side, and I'm going to split it half. I'm going to split it into 2 halves. I'm going to double shade 1/2 of 3/4. So let me take yellow. I'm going to shade in 1/2. Of the model. So I want to figure out the parts that are shaded or that are overlapping. So Sam and Pete ate 3 of the original casserole. So did the amount of casserole increase or decrease when multiplied by 1/2? How does the model show this? So when you multiplied 3/4 by 1/2, you actually got 8 sections. You have 8 sections and only 3 pieces were eaten. So when you multiply 3/4 times 1/2, the amount of casserole doesn't decrease, but you cut it into more sections. So we cut the casserole into more pieces. So write the multiplication shown by the model 1/2 times 3/4. So when I'm multiplying fractions, I just have to do the numerator times the numerator. So 1 times 3 is 3. And then I have to multiply 2 times 4, which is 8. So my answer is 3/8. And I even knew over here where I said on letter C, Sam and Pete ate 3/8 of the original casserole, which is what my picture shows, because the places that are double shaded are yellow and red, which are 3 sections out of a total of 8 sections. And that's my answer. Woo!